Go on.
Listen, man. They are listening a long time. I'm not sure if you come in the box, but they could have come in.
But the dirty
But
man
me
right
come
at the
in
back
now.
to shut up him fuckery. Eh?
Yeah, but the man that we are talking, I talk some real things, you know.
Yes.
We are talking, you know.
Yes.
Let me tell you something.
Yeah, man.
Just say they ain't gone there. A long time, me know say they ain't gone there. We are come down, you know, man. If we analyze PNP, you know. We have to look out how we are, you know, man. You understand?
So somebody never
And then
take it.
that's why there are certain people we are work at airport, so you gone then come through, you know.
The vex us somebody
And
never
a
record it.
long time, you know, I talk about, you know, a long time me I see things were going on. And I see how much all grave in a cemetery down there. What I see what going on. This a prime minister here, you know, man. A Bill Gates and control here and tell him what to do, you know, man. You understand? So him have to hand over Jamaica. You understand? All Bill Gates.
He might tell you what go on,
Yeah.
but at the same time, he might tell me all of what he might leak out. Where he might tell me say, yo,
Yeah.
man, it not man, we don't want to hear that. But we get to him say,
Yeah, but let me tell you something. All we are go up, all we are go up now, man. Remember said there is a true and living God in a man. You understand? And a man no more than God in a man. Look how we are going in, and a man no more than God in a, because we can go with bed and we not get up. This is tomorrow. So Andrew one is can go in bed and he no must get up in a man. You understand? A man can't do more than time in a man. You understand? So no still remember say there is a true and living God in a man. And nobody no more than God in a. Oh.
A true man. Some people remember God, man, and say God I master for everything.
The everything. I'm my governor. The all
what you mean? So when you look for boy, I come look
no
at
fear me no God.
Me no fear nobody. Me no fear nobody.
Can't run through your body without
Me no fear nobody. I me no respect nobody but the Almighty God. Him alone me respect.
Me no fear
Comrades,
no.
good afternoon.
Afternoon,
What's the topic?
Yeah.
We're beating them bad, you know, we're beating them bad.
The one look up what boy come here come distract about Andrew now call no election and
They can't
we
take
lead
it
the
back.
country late and
That
the
election Africal. Little miss it Africal.
them me no know.
No mind. Africal.
Me know.
It's Africal.
And Andrew go call state of emergency. Some of my say when Andrew go call
It's Africal.
And the country in a war.
Yeah.
And the country in a
Lock
war.
the country. Lock it down.
it's
Right.
African.
Africal.
I will say we are majority.
We are telling
Are we are people in a man? Are we are people in a where we want in a man?
We advise.
We are people in a
We
man.
advise. We have advice. So we can't tell you that. Tell you that you're mad. Who is him? Who is him? We tell you that.
Bright.
At the time come we have to call. We can't tell you that. But wait. I chat about another boy, man. And they say, you see my confusion, man. You walk on and make trouble, man. Look at see him on the company for quick a while. I trouble you walk on and make, you know.
Don't worry about them, man.
So we can't lose focus, man.
Don't worry about right person one day, don't worry.
Now go see if Andrew a God. Me, I go see if Andrew a God.
All right, sir.
Me, I go see
my master.
if Andrew a God.
Not sure they call him ground God. What they call him ground God?
Yeah.
Now that's why I'm saying all over people, man. Me and some labor right a chat say, what them are gonna do people? Them are gonna analyze people, how they can't find people. They can't find me, because I'm not afraid to chat out of my mouth, you know. Me love chat out of me. Me a dirty English, you know, I told me used to sell, you know, matches lane, you know. So I know if it ball out, stallion and time me used to sell. I'm loud, I'm like to load up with things.
Waste of time, man.
Waste of time, man. Come out here.
They shouldn't give him no second chance. They shouldn't give him no second chance. You understand?
That's what the man called the election at the height of the COVID.
A wicked the man wicked. You say
Because him know say nobody now come out now the COVID, so that's
And
why
him right. And him a lock down the country.
But wait now.
Actually, you know, say nobody can come out. If the election they were run, him don't know, say they don't know, say I for them on.
But wait now. Donald support the tune of 2020 say him a lead same way. You understand me? Him have the majority. And him just call the election. Where the poll predict. No. Donald support a sure say the PNP are the leading party. It wrong. A propaganda. And when Donald poll the predict him say him still a leading at 2020, him call a election pan that poll. Now the poll show him say the people them is not in favor with your party, them in favor with the People's National Party. Him say all of them say the poll wrong. And him use the poll in 2020. But no 2025, it wrong for him. But it right for him in 2020.
Yeah, but it wrong now.
But it wrong, yeah. But it wrong
now.
Thief,
you wrong now, maybe. Thief. Criminal, man. Have to go.
You understand me? And when them there running, never have to do that poll. I don't know the poll and family and tell a film poll me I hear about and one another one.
That's what you talk about blue that poll. Where did it come from?
No, Cliff use one.
Cliff is right, man. You must expect that. You must expect that.
You look like you have sense to you.
You know, say about Chris is as a party keeping up. Chris is the whole party.
If you so good, that's not saliva can have a touch him lip. You look
man. Yeah, man, let's have a thing here, the Batman party, man. Over thing here, you know.
Yeah, and drink from pool. Him suck yeah, saliva dry up to mouth lip them ever dry to blood click the way him suck good.
Look what him. I said him talking can't look up. Him if you look down like Malukana sitting like you know Malukana. You know see.
No liberate and go on like say them one off talk. What's about Andrew on this man? What's about that man there? Just
Andrew. What's about Andrew? Andrew bad. Andrew just a fucking criminal. Andrew just a fucking criminal. Thief.
I say me a 63-year-old man. I say a worst prime minister that have a pass through Jamaica. I live a right to disrespect him. You understand? He want people that me a disrespect him. And we never used to disrespect no prime minister of Jamaica like how this a man you get disrespect. This a man you no prime minister. Dirty gunman. And thief. And dirty.
I secret in Jamaica with you. Everybody has to drunk. Everybody has to drunk.
Him get it, man. Him get it. No blood sleep, me I tell you. You can't sue nobody. Freedom of speech.
If he's a thief and nobody, if he's a thief and him now get sued for go to Ross prison. And him such a fucking thief. And we when our thief don't do a chat out of him out, I go get sued, make them come sue.
Yeah, so man, we're afraid of them. We're afraid of them. We're not afraid of them.
And to tell you,
if them a bullbuck, we are dopey conqueror. If them a bullbuck, we are dopey conqueror.
Exactly.
That me I know. So I feel like afraid of them and they can come chat.
You know, see the man come in as a poor man and him come out and come out as a rich man. You know, see that?
There's so much business himself have.
You know, see that?
You know, you have business and yacht and all private plane and so.
Yes, and what about apartment.
The plane can't fly up on the jet.
And all like, sorry, never got
and get out of Jamaica people. And then never call Jamaica people fucking dog.
Me say we sorry never that record if you put that.
Man, many people say nothing, we don't have no sense in a man.
If I call down that in a record.
Blood clot.
If I call down that record.
Well, I'm sorry to blood bleed. We never get that record.
Some of them where you see I run back, I'm all one team before they are in them blood started.
Oh, you know, screenshot the boy on the boy at that, man. That's Mama Sash grand crop. Mama Sash.
You don't know how to do the scheme your
I
time.
don't want like them. I could never be a laborer. They have to be a PMP. Have to be a PMP.
So hold on there, guys. You're going to
When
tell
the
me.
live done now. When the live done, it can't there, man.
You're going
Never
to
be a
tell
laborer.
me up by the
Never.
children, Busterman to
Straight,
hospital.
like a man with
They
straight.
need equipments to deal with the little babies. And this man talk about yacht. Or him have a yacht and he have this and him have that. And Busterman to hospital, they don't have nothing for the people them.
Yeah.
I'm baby born in Jamaica where have to sleep in a chair.
Yeah.
What? Nobody in the group never screen record it.
I
Nobody
want-
in the group never record it. Cause this go out to make the Jamaican people and to have yacht and children in hospital land no bed. Don't
Exactly.
have region hospital land no bed.
Yeah, the man said the man in a competition with leeching.
Yeah, bloody.
About him.
Yeah.
That only can go pan ship and land.
Yeah.
I was like,
Yeah, man, that's true, man.
You know which part him all say? Where him all say?
Our Atlanta, Georgia.
Atlanta.
Yeah, Atlanta.
Yeah, man, Atlanta.
Tylon.
You know what I say? You know what I say? With Nigel Clark, he said they can't touch Nigel Clark because Nigel Clark makes sure go with the helmet.
Touchable.
I don't England can fly go England anytime he feel like.
Yeah.
Andrew the king.
Yeah.
Him say no prime minister
Yeah.
should be the king, man. Him say Andrew the king, boy.
Yeah, and no prime
Yeah,
minister
King
should
boy.
Say, I say me glad say the slavery money, man, they no give him. Cause me always afraid sell cause them did to pay out some money in England, you know. To the slave master money. Me say me glad they no give him. Me glad when the king say nah, they nah give him the money, they nah pay the money. God know it's true.
No, but them say he refuse it. Because him say the people them are right.
Yeah.
Them say he
No,
the
no,
people
me
them
glad.
because him want bow to the king. Say him not about to take it for the
Yeah.
boy. I'll come back to boy now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the wicked man there.
Mama
Not
Sam,
like him.
murder in
me,
that man. Murder.
me just go on something that observe and see something. Me can't send it to you because me not have your number. Because me can't get to put nothing on TikTok. I just if me have your number. Eh?
You don't send them a number already.
No, you didn't send it to me.
So I want it on it. What is on it?
I want one something me that watch with this song with Val sing. It can mash up the party because people are leak out. But you have to see it for listen for here. I don't want to talk it from there.
Oh, where the one where him say about Chichi man?
Yeah, the song where him sing about Chichi man.
Yeah.
Because the same people them were not them party where Chichi are leak out.
Yeah. MCM one. I lick out on him.
I tell him to resign. He needs to resign and he needs to apologize to the public. So the people that must say see it, he must send it for when they must throw a word pan, but it drop right in after them both.
Right after them both. Warming sharp pressure him.
And he there to drop.
And Terry Langton.
Yeah.
Langton.
Him a big girl. I don't even
And
like
Lester
a
Morgan. Lester Morgan.
I can't
Lester
stop on the
Morgan.
gate. I can't stop on the gate one day. I can't
Lester
stop.
Morgan.
Sir.
Lester Morgan.
And Tony, who's the gate?
No, when him not Terry Langton stop on the gate one day, I come about. Sir, you all right? I am Mr. Terry Langton and where Tete I come talk about. Listen, let me tell you something, sir. He's not agree, and he's not a
You could talk one at a time.
direct totalist. So when the man did that talk, me say, yeah, I'm gonna tell me say if me vote for him, what me can do and what me do for me. Me say, me tell you something now. Me and Michael, man, the days of PNP. I mean, now change. So now feel like you can't give me nothing, I'm never come over you. Me not like labor right now.
Also, them a walk, I try to buy out the
Me
people.
say me not
them.
like labor right. Labor right on my party. PNP and my party until me dead. Yeah, so yeah, the woman really know the same one dead and Tiny. The same one dead over golf. When they shoot there, she same one be dead and say, come Mr. Terlan, cause you can't get this one, cause this one
Which
them
woman
man
that?
not change.
How which woman that?
Diana.
Oh.
The
Oh,
woman,
from back
the
them
man
time,
not
them think I
change.
late
This man not change. So come make we leave him. Cause this man are directly PNP man and he not change. So left him. Come. And he still did that talk for him here. You know what me do with him? I shut my gate and walk off and come in my house left him.
The same Diane.
Sorry,
I the same Diane. Not Diane. But the one where say, me never did that. Left. Couldn't left without telling. What's your name? The counselor.
Bella.
When time him just coming, you know, me I come from Alpha Golf, but Bella know me. Yeah, Bella she. Tiny. Me know you PNP, but me just introduce you to me. Me say, stop right there. Nobody introduce me to your labor right candidate because you don't know me now vote for him.
Now vote to know you.
Yeah.
$1 million.
You know what I'm saying?
No time.
No time.
No, I see no you money.
Yeah.
You know say one time.
Alright. You talk about them do a free. Them do a free money. I don't want not even $1 from them. Not even 5 cents.
For what?
I want to give
No,
them. I don't want nothing from them. I don't want
For the money,
touch their money.
condemn.
I don't want to touch their money.
Money.
Condemn money. I don't want nothing from them.
And not for them money,
No,
taxpayer blood feet money them a work nowhere. A taxpayer money
You know
them
what?
take and a
One
one
nine
buy
life, I
food.
don't like them.
After them money,
And look how much money he get from
after
Bill
them money
Gates.
that come through.
A $40
The way
billion
me
that get from Bill
serious.
Gates, you know.
You give people vaccine.
Look at me.
Kill off
Look at me.
people,
The way me
analyze people off
serious.
of Earth, eh?
Yes,
The
man.
way me serious with my PNP, me say, my putting them a go school, primary school, not primary, basic school. And they putting them in a greenhouse. And somebody come tell me, go for the school, go tell them, say, take half that half of my picnic, you know. Should not close less.
Well, let me tell you the truth, me the responsible blood clot. Me take it enough PMP minister them eat out. Me take that blood clot. Michael man, they say take it. And when the right time come, you put the X on the blood clean head. Me take it here, I'm going to put solid waste. I'm ready to go to the park Christmas, go look work for them. I know me a blood clot PMP. Me take that.
Oh, man, me know some
You tell get from him,
me know some youth. When you used to
Mikey.
go to my
You tell get from Mikey, I'm get from Mikey class.
Even faster, me take that blood clot. Me get my work and think them know me a PMP. Them know me a PMP. And my money them a give me. And my brother bought them money. My brother them have car. We have land, but we have paid tax for.
Mikey give me, and Nigel Clark give me, but them some faces, so no for them now look for me.
Me take that.
But them not buy, they can't buy my vote. And they know me loan, me not beg them.
Them know me Lord, me cuss out Mikey.
What do you? Them go over there go get all my $30,000 voucher.
Me cuss out Mikey blood clean. Cuss him. And I saw me and him turn friend. And who? When me go a solid
Support
blood
me.
clean yes.
Look at
I'm gonna
me.
get
Me
my
never.
work. Time was, yeah, what him say, him prefer get the PNP to work. And the PNP to talk, but when the labor right, them get them can't satisfy them, say them never get yet.
And I lie them.
Yeah, that's a true. That's a true. But me never in the region. Me never in the region for a labor right place. For them give me nothing. I first from me know myself.
When me party
Me
out
ever
of
live
power,
in a Ushpata labor right MP there.
when me party out of power,
First.
me no press on me minister then cause them now no money them out of power. Who have it? Taxpayer money.
And
I
I
see me money, me
tell
want
them.
walk, give me blood clean walk. Give me 2 drains for go clean and 1 drain for go clean and give me check with 100,000 when me go in a NCB bank, go draw that blood clot. Of my money. With the blood cleat there. How them love use people. If you use them back to her with the blood cleat there.
Yeah,
Use
but
them.
me I tell you, liquor miss.
Never let them know it too much.
I me tell you, liquor miss. Me never live in a labor right. Me
Then
never
let me tell you, Tanya,
labor right.
me not cut the Tanya. Then I tell you, chew them no way. Them give we same way. Cause them no way. Them know so we not change. And we not, them know we not change.
Yeah.
Say, Mikey, watch ya. Drain on a craft market one cleaning and I want a drain, you know. I want a drain, you know. Cause I know my mouth bad. He know me can't tear me in. And he have more talk to me too. He tell him about his mother and diss him up.
Yeah, but me I tell you, say, me never, from me know myself, me never live in a labor right zone or which part of labor right MP there. Him are the first MP me know, and since lately because the first MP was Eddie Robinson. The second MP was Sharon Webster. The third MP was Alda Brown. So after Alda Brown, Turland come win. So me never really, I mean, me not there. So me never really lucky to take nothing from them.
He was my counselor. Mike was my counselor.
And then counselor for this, me didn't know her before she returned counselor.
And them know me at PNP. I went to campaign and them come from Phineas Drive, you know. They are there, I want mad man live over there, you know, PNP, you know. I want mad man live over there, but me still like her still. Cause when she
me know Bella before Bella really even turned counselor. Camille was a labor writer, she was a counselor for over there before gunning. So me know all them people there, but me never really take nothing from them, get nothing from them, because me never really deal with them like that.
Yeah.
But through me is a woman who remember me tell you now, me grew a Maxwell, born and grew a Maxwell Avenue, a Porsche. Me left got Kencat, a PNP. Me left got Jewsland, a PNP. Yeah, so it's on Gravel Park.
Me live at Central Kingston, it means. Me come in a thing there. I want Northwest St. Andrews now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it mix. You understand me? When Derek see me Tuesday walk up and him come from just like here. Unabala go at the yard there. Unabala stop at the yard there. The woman there want mad woman and she not nothing good in her mouth for talk. Me no want she come out come cuss me. Be a PNP live over there. Nobody stop right there, so. Nobody stop this. As a matter of fact, him not come up the lane. Time no be a PNP live up na the lane. Down the bottom.
But when Derek Smith are running for Dr. Ford, me used to run up and down and work with Dr. Ford over Marvel, you know.
They never go work for Dr. Ford. That's something what Tanya them, you know.
That time I Jewsland me live.
Some what Tanya them and sell it. When anything I go on a Marvel, me come. Marvel I might be for election time. Down the summer.
Yeah, man.
Jar up my crew them and down a Marvel.
Yeah, man, that's it. Good. That's what me tell you, say, Turlang are the first Liberate MP when me live. You know, so Turlang not really know me like that. What's your name there? The council know me.
Bella, what a big
Bella know me.
Amenity. Big up the and the old like no, big up the and the old amenity. Me couldn't go away. I know big up me work at them. Me couldn't go away. I know big up me work at them. And that we are PR for. Eh?
Yeah, it can't.
That we are PR for.
Back with my talk. Back with your talk. Back with your talk.
Yeah, me know she before she turned counselor.
It's a red man.
I can't read it now.
I'm nervous.
Me face and style. Me not believe so. Me face and style. And that style. She just trying to make, you know.
Style and pop and a spoil the reputation. Can you style and pop the reputation? Who can I style? Yeah, who can I style? Yeah.
You don't know
If
them
you
not
look
come
embarrassed,
with distraction.
No style.
you look embarrassed. Embarrassed.
That's
You
such
know them
That
not come
can't
with
be a
some
style.
distraction to make people talk about it.
like
He
beauty
can't read
speech. No,
Chinese.
yeah, I want people to talk good about you.
That an insult. That an insult.
Fast insult.
No, Jesus, them a sample. Look for all the woman where when time Williams. Williams the name? When time Swaby win. And the man
Die.
cuss on clot. Go on.
For you
They tell
full
you
of fucking belly for how much years?
You blood clot greedy. Eh? After you pull your blood
Greedy.
clot, bruh. He's a blood clot
Really?
greedy man.
That's what I did.
Wicked.
Right.
Man.
Wicked.
That's be a purse sweet them the blood
Wicked.
treat the you know. That's be a kitty.
Me I
Sweet
tell you,
them.
man. You can't know, say she used to get a cut out with them have.
Yeah.
I get.
Yeah, better
And she
not
gonna
finish
lose
craft.
it, you
Yeah,
know,
better
so
not
she
finish
mad.
school yet.
So you full of blood clot, bruh. Eh? So you full of blood clot, bruh. You're too wicked, you're fucking wicked man.
Yeah.
You get to the blood clot, baby.
That's what we're gonna put on there. And the PNP them have a weed. The blood PNP. Jesus Christ, taxpayer money sweet them till she cry. The boy. Blood please. Be not lie.
After what? Eh? You get to the blood clot, baby. After that one day, that be the one there, and you that be, you're too blood clot, really. Then 2 day hour, 1 day after the man come and say, nah, brother.
Him not about to resign.
Nah, but I resign to
But
blood.
what? I'm going while I'm head.
I went there, run right now. Him there firing.
Me don't hear nothing more about him.
Where you gunshot bust about him?
Me don't hear nothing about him. The said style, see I go have the said style. Andrew have call me in and bad them up and beat out them blood cleat. That's why Desmond Mackenzie usually get lick on them blood cleat. Holy palick Desmond get.
How will the man that the name Feather, not Feather?
Yeah, Feather. They right with that.
They're not in them put in Michael and Michael in
Mike
the
in the
space.
seat. Say.
But you must don't want to lie with
Afraid
them.
of Andrew Otis. Blood cleat. Some would afraid of Andrew. Some would have so no go on. Me don't want the Prime Minister come
Yeah.
soon. Blood cleat.
Soon, no. So you can't believe that. Let me see what let me watch him now. Let me watch him go on. Let me watch it live, you know. He said, go now. Don't make the Prime Minister come see me right now. Don't go.
Him the rise up on Siago, but him can't rise up on Andrew. Blood cleat.
Andrew done for them.
Little boy, big man. I'm afraid of little boy.
I'm a really cool.
If him have them on that spell, he might do him wrong.
Am I done?
Say nothing to him.
Dennis Chuck.
Can't say nothing about him.
Dennis Chuck. Nobody believe you are going in the position there, you know. You better call the Prime Minister and tell him, say, you don't want that again. You can't take it. You can't take it. Because you're corruption. You was not police. You was not judge. Eh? Or you for going at the field there? Eh? Or you for going at the field there? What kind of masters you have in the field there? Eh? Now you see him want to come out and say, not no wrong if the Prime Minister have 28 bank book.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah, look at me. Start up things then.
Are you see him want come out, you know? Come say the Prime Minister nothing
Too
wrong.
light mouth now. Too light mouth come up here now. Look at me. It's like country and scream.
You understand
I
me?
look, it says chain and country never up here early when the man here.
Me I tell you, what's
When the
your
dirty man
country there?
Which
Which one is there?
Mama son, how's boy come up
talk about?
Hold on, then, Mama son,
I
how's
look
boy
at dirty
come up
nasty man
here?
come board. One man that
Yeah,
come
Miller.
on, I want
Miller.
Say my portrait him, so stepson, Miller. And
I lied. All of
the
them
man
are
I
coming
tell
at
you
this
everything
guy.
what Andrew own, and I tell you say Andrew now can election and Andrew own can't lose. And the next 2 years Andrew own is going to still there.
I lie, man. Tell the devil is a liar. The blood of Jesus is against him. Them Them a demons. And that my bunny
Them
mouth
a
with country. But you don't know what, man, I come for burn a fire pan dirty Turlang because my dad Gregor Park from Quarry was a boy and down them mash up and disgusting. Turlang come they come tell the people them say I go carry KFC and I go carry McDonald's come there. Wait there. Christian Pen people, if you know over here, I want to know wise up. Not now go on a Christian Pen. Christian Pen mash up and pop down and tear down. Me know when the first shop there Christian Pen. We Turlang carry to Christian Pen and Gregor Park. More than they send police and gunmen and all kind of people go down there and alive the people them. A Clark's Lane, me come from a Gregor Park. How it go? Talk to me now. We dirty Turlang, they come to the class. All you carry go Gregor Park is a container police station, dirty man. Batty boy, long tongue man. Where you carry go Gregor Park, dirty man, come to the class. I pay man, all of the man them with that Gregor Park, I overtrack them work and groom ass. That's all they do. They don't have no, they are not trade, they are not. They do, they don't have no, they are not trade, they are nothing. Come to the class, Turlang, what you carry over there? Huh? What you carry to Clark's Lane? The whole of the youth them, they analyze off the whole of them now. Don't they go shoot off my nephew them? Come to the class, Turlang. This dirty man come protest say Andrew Holness. Oh, if you have Andrew Holness picture and a contact boy, you come red. How can you support the People's National Party and Andrew picture you have up?
Yeah, the man have a bunch of picture. And then I tell you everything, but we're glad them come and tell you what go on. And tell us that more going out there. Because they're going to have to issue to the 14th parish of Jamaica. And for start the war. Because that Andrew want to start a riot in Jamaica for the election at all. Yeah.
That's a go.
From
PNP,
man. From PNP.
That the man say no.
Lose at Gregor Park. When we lose the MP at Gregor Park don't have no upliftment. Me can tell you from back to front. We have Agro 21 at Gregor Park. Ronald Lake Spain. PJ Patterson do that. See that grow up school scheme at PJ Patterson build that. You know, see, Ronald Golf, that's a new scheme build up. A PJ Patterson, make people then get the land them around there, so cause sandbed. A PJ Patterson, make people then get the land around there, so cheap, but then can build up them place. Hey, I want go on. PMPI base. Ungrateful Jamaican people, they're ungrateful. That's how Andrew suck out them, yeah. True. And inga foreign go get hobby man if you work on them. Cause that's you know your labor right love cook big part. You know your labor right love cook big part. Kind tricky people them in high food and then the green liquor them. In love feed them.
Yeah,
and your hobby man tell them.
Peace.
Your hobby man tell him to cook food with them and keep on a tip in it and feed them. Them now
and kill cow.
Not follow you and kill cow give them not tap follow you.
That's true, man. That's the worst.
Looking at Southeast Clarendon. Southeast Clarendon. Labor right never lose a Southeast Clarendon and Southeast Clarendon mash up nothing now go on down here. Nothing now go on a Southeast Clarendon more than pay thief and criminal. The young boy then don't here kill all people for them cow. Analyze people for them call. We're Pernell Charles there.
Do we look at miss? And now say do we and Smith the pan we and play him, you know. What do we and Smith say?
Yeah.
PNP come and promise. PNP look about 30 of the JLP will win in the Northwest. So what kind of promise PNP for promise? And it's a JLP calls and a JLP MP. So I'm a tell like PNP, no matter if they go stinking more blood clot, not the politician and wicked enough. So
yeah, man.
But you know Derek Smith them around Northwest St. Andrew. Me and my daughter we are 29-year-old in Marvally. And now Derek Smith around this so. I know this pussy I gonna tell lies a PNP promise.
They're looking at Southeast Clarendon.
No road, doggy road, them bad like a yard. And you turn off from one road, one road, and now if we go in one community, no road not there. And we have a sitting member of parliament and a sitting councillor by the Labour Party. And the end of the day, no work now go on. The whole of the road them bad.
But the people them say do and see me from him win. Them not see him back, him not talk to people.
Come on, I see me out there for summer and we learn some pick up with him. Where my talk about everything what Andrew want to do. I cut ribbon and show. And PNP only come and promise and 20 of the year I'm father.
But what
I
them
went for the photo center man, step for the land them from the people.
what them not understand to Mama Son, each time PNP win one election, you know, we have to spend years to fix back the mess what JLP created.
All right.
True.
All right.
True.
But look here,
Yeah.
PJ, but look here. PJ do a whole heap of things in the 18 year. PJ rebuild back Jamaica from Edwards here.
From scratch, take it back.
I'm going to do a birthday match, you know. I feel I want to do a match on my birthday. I'm going to do a birthday match on my birthday. So I'm not line up. I do a birthday match.
Yeah. And Mama and Sister P. Come start it back from scratch with Bruce Bowling and Audrey. And Miss Audrey.
And the worst is yet to come because this is the worst mess.
Yes.
Some Golden have the most to do.
Yes. And people about believe say one term can fix back Jamaica.
Exactly so. So when he's going there, man, show him for the first night for this boy. Him not do this and him not do that because a whole heap of mess he have to go clean
the
up.
disaster with this government here put Jamaica in a 1 year and 2 year can't do it.
Mama Son, somebody asked her when are your birthday for today?
It mess with an F-winner. It can't be.
18 of June, I'm not prepared for that.
Mama Son, I'm 19 on my own, you know.
I lie, the 18th of June is my birthday.
Yeah.
You know, I come in the line up and buy the 1-1 and 2-2 kind of come shoot for me. I find somebody to play a match with. Okay? All right.
I'm tired of the labor right there. Me hungry. Me hungry right now.
And to make you eat that fall of your cock them.
The whole of me cat then, yeah, mafia, know me not have one end me have left. Me hungry rasta. Me say oldness, so it go.
The end can't eat.
No, me can't. Me want back one rooster to put with him because I want to breed up back some fowl because at the end of the day, me have everything I know, so I'm hungry.
Yeah, and the same belly full.
I last night.
And the same belly full and country hungry.
I'm hungry, man.
Number tell man tell us we step up to fish back,
Yes,
man.
you have yacht.
You move from chicken back to
Man,
fish
me
back.
yes, you have yacht.
The man
Yes,
said
you
the man have
land
yacht
helicopter
and plane.
pan yacht.
Yes,
Yes, you plan to send where your son them because you pay disaster. Go and talk to me no man. Me yes, you plan to send where your big nose girl them where you have up there. 2 big nose girl them where you have.
Yes. I'm too daughter there.
I'm more bonded
You
there.
understand?
More bonded there.
Yes, you have. Yes, you have big building. Yes, you have big building in Switzerland, which for you want have it. Yeah, hotel and all these things. Your friend can leak out your business.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You understand?
And Nigel can't go to prison.
I have the police them out here give people $10,000 and $15,000 ticket, and $20,000, $30,000. When you go to court, you can't talk for your rights. Judge, I go tell you say 30 days or 40,000.
Let me even make you walk me a mount.
You can't walk me about.
Where them like
Jamaican people have no rights.
when we there in
When you go to
court, I said something to the judge. The judge said, listen. I mean, I said to them, say, my daughter tell them, say, I mean, she come to another party for the key card. So them charge she 35,000 and charge me 45,000. In a pocket. And to my blood clot money there. We
want it back.
Police pay in a COVID. We want it back. Because we don't see where the
Want
COVID
back our money.
so we can push.
All right, now we're hungry.
Oh.
We're hungry right now, yeah.
In a courthouse.
All of them money, the way you do with them, Anjo, the mass
The nurse
money,
them want back their money.
the
Nurse
curfew
them want
money.
their money.
Hey, what you do with them
Yeah,
money there?
overwork it too, look on nurse them.
You take it by yacht because you want in a competition with leeching.
Yes.
When Leaching a come from anywhere, him land pan him building in a New Kingston pan the top with the helicopter.
Yeah.
You want in a competition? That me tell you say you want to look a bad boy. You talk about people bad mind. You want to look a bad mind boy.
Yeah, bad mind pussy.
You grudge the Issa them. You grudge the Mafu them. You grudge the Azan them. You want in a competition with them.
That's why I'm teeth so much.
That's why I'm teeth, yeah.
Because them man they in grow up and hear about them. And bad mind and I say, all right, any day them get the chance to go into the house. Remember, I must keep everything. Man take for everything. Oh, this money. You say money. That the money. Money. That's a thief. And then give himself 200%. And the ones that suck your mother. You make her annoy with.
And they are demons. There's a big demons in Jamaica. Lord God Almighty. Andrew, where you come from? Dirty man, where you come from? We're tired of you. Call the election, man.
Yes.
Call the election.
Never succumb see.
You man never succumb see. That boy that grew up on
we not no factory again. We not no factory again. We not nothing here for young people. Then can go learn.
Not even
about art.
Not even the beach them belongs to we. We can't go up our beach. We can't look upon them and can't go in a God water.
Sell out.
Yeah, the man say, country the man say Jamaica in a two. Half the American and half the Chinese.
Yeah.
We're going to take it back. Revolution, I'm going to take it back.
Half the China, half the America.
The things are true.
Somebody have to rise up. We are going to take back the country. Revolution, I'm going to hold on.
You have to take things serious.
That's why I'm bringing so much going on.
Yes, the man have all. Man have all tank. What we are do with tank? Where we are do with armored car?
Having plan.
Yeah.
Where we are with armored vehicle? Yeah. We live in Russia.
He have him plan. He must set him plan. Bam him one bam with
True, man.
When we rise up now against him now and take to the street now and send the tanker them to come bam with him and gas way.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, say we are dog. Yeah, man, say we are dog. And Jamaican people still run behind the dirty man, and the man say we are dog. And so my PNP them will support him. I hope you no come over back unless you not dog.
That's true, man.
The big nose dirty boy will come from one room. No big nose dirty boy will come from one room from Spanish Town can call me dog. Go broke your neck on that dirty Juliet. Nasty man. Think like a drunker. And go run down dirty warm in time. We down there walk a shot firm from boy leg.
A back fist,
and a back fist.
Ejaculate pan the boy them.
When I don't know nothing for Wallaba.
Well, ejaculate pan the youth them.
Young youth them. Young youth them if they go check him for nothing if he can't get batting in give them nothing. Dirty thinking warm.
Come over here today to the same promising farmer program and they not get it because someone said you not free up your body with him. That's why you not get it. And you don't make him suck your wood. You don't get it.
And why Nigel Clark I believe I just stream did not have sex with Juliet. Him and Juliet did not relationship. Juliet oldness size 13.
I thought the man should have come tell us that's why Nigel Clark quit. Kind of him say one.
Then the Prime Minister gone to Manchester, gone look young girl. Then Juliet no must gone look younger man.
Come to the parliament that you're going to rate this and days of our life.
You know, hear them in there, you know, see how I wind up and who, you know, the current Spencer and the watchdog over St. Mary, you know, see,
the murderer, the murderer, we want justice to Diane Simit, the murderer, and justice to Shorty. And justice to
Bluefield.
Yeah, for Bluefield, Shorty.
Yeah, man, disgrace. The man have no respect for his wife.
Well, look at girl in name.
Diane Simit.
Yeah. All wicked.
You know, say him and his wife, I see him. You know, see his wife, I jump up on manhood, you know, say.
Then the wife not junkie.
A sodomite.
The wife
The wife a sodomite and junkie, you know.
Yeah.
The wife a jump up a man hood and him a wind up on the current Spencer. You know, see, two of them are one of a kind. I know decorum about them. And them want to leave Jamaica. Dirty people. When on a principle. Me couldn't tell my son, you know, say, go in a labor party. And he have his wife, you know, want to go wind up behind one other girl on platform. You not show your wife no respect. You not show your wife no respect. A dirty girl and dirty man principle, them they ghetto people. Them they are leader. Them they are leader. When he done in company, they can talk about boom, bye. Company, they can me can't leave. Because if this a tune and a play, me can't leave. And then the idea you have one big batty man sit down and look on you behind you.
Yeah. Then the man vex, man.
Yeah, man, vex.
You can't leave if this a tune and a play. And then the idea when you look, you have one big batty fish.
Vex, you know.
One big batty fish sit down behind you and look on you. Turlang there, the batty fish run all over, and all of them turn out there, and then cock up there. And the end of the day, you have a me can't left that tune and a play, me can't left.
And what is? Mama son, them the pan.
Them over politics and sport channel at chat you and Tiny.
I was channel that. I wish man not.
They can't chat mama son.
I don't know how
they can't chat mama son.
Tell them they
Mama
can't
son
chat
live
because
somewhere.
them seen my house and my house clean.
They can't chat mama son.
Them
I want to
can't
hear me. They can't chat mama son. Mama son live
chat
somewhere.
They
A
can't
phone
tell
could be
me
drunk for them live under. You don't know nothing about mama son. Look for mama son, how she clean and nice.
Them don't know
Look
the
for
boy
mama
and
son. Mama son
Tiny.
not hungry. Look for her.
Mama son a
We
water.
can't hungry foreign with them.
Somebody just
We
said
can't take our politics.
Hold on, then, people.
Them say politics
Mama
good.
son, what you say? Mama son, who you say I chat to you?
What channel is? Police.
Tell me the
Politics and sports
Politics
channel.
and Post channel.
Politics.
Politics and Post channel. You
Mama
are.
son, may I jump out of this? Let's move forward.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go on, you know.
But them don't know nothing about Tiny. Them don't know nothing about
Go on.
Tiny. And them don't know nothing about Mama son.
Blood clot. Make them go.
Politics and sport can't go on. Them can't live like we.
Mama son, you not get you not collect 2 pounds of rice and 1 sardine and pound of chicken back in a bag.
No, not at all.
We can supply them with
I want
food.
green, I want Heineken.
We
So
can
they can't
supply
chat.
them with food.
Tiny, you know your thing turn up.
They come in no fish, no chicken back, a fish back.
Oh,
Fish.
so them can't chat with Mama Sam. We good as gold. We can supply a lot of them.
$5,000 can't feed we over here. We are not for sale. $3,000 can't help we. We are not for sale.
Oh,
So let's see over
what
there.
right said my pussy them? Yes, man, right said my pussy. What? Pussy them? Nah. I soul what? The good drunk and can't talk to us in here, man. Oh.
Listen, me not look on them because you
When they
know.
come in the comment section and I chat up them dirty mouth, you know watch them because guess what, man, they're hungry.
Them just a school pass them. I don't watch them. Them have
And
to
they
them off
house
for safety.
dirty.
We have our one
They
to
house
talk.
dirty.
Anything.
Dirty house they live in. You know see. And they don't live nowhere. Some of them don't live nowhere. Some of them are catching a people place. But me can't.
Oh, big pussy carry over there. I want go in at them. I can go in at them blood clot, but because them don't know the name, yeah.
Yeah.
I will never succumb. I wouldn't matter, I will never succumb to it. Them people are bright and out there.
We used to things. They can't call we never come because we used to things. And them not used to nothing.
Them prime minister never
them.
Andrew never knew that be a prime minister.
Come to see. I'm a that.
Nasty stuff good carry on the whole nasty bottom and labor. Don't call my blood clot name, dog shit. Go suck on the woman, don't call my blood clot name. Wanna know about me and Tiny? Go suck out to the woman, don't you labor right, and come suck me. Come suck me and my blood clot. Come with them, drunk crow.
They put your pin there. They put your pin
And
there.
that me tell you, so them a screenshot.
You know me get a picture there. Nearly no mama. You know.
Look for the green out by the tree.
You know who put our opinion? Go suck your mother.
Show our labor rights on them.
Like.
You don't want beard, you don't think like a dog, you don't want beard.
Look on the
You
road.
right, they want beard.
Don't worry yourself.
So I live right.
Well,
You know how she come up in the box, so don't look. You see the young youth who have so where young labor right in there, Viv, me rate him, show to him.
Yeah, they don't know come up in them back.
Big up yourself, you know. Young youth man, Viv.
You know, ask the girl, Kerry, I want you get a picture there without thinking.
Mama son come up, what to your thing there? What do you mean who that? Mama son is a PNP activist, just like on a labor right activist. Mama son. So that me I tell you. So I know you. Remember say PNP and labor right the
Mama said a trick name.
and PNP are watching you live and labor right are watching you live. I'm told. You know, get distracted. PNP not gonna win.
Let them rather Mama son.
Let them. You can't talk them things that make Mama son here.
Yeah.
You mad.
Murder.
Get ignorant, you know.
Mama Sam, drop back tonight.
You never take him back. You know I say Mama son and never take him. You know say Mama son.
Change the picture again, Mama son. Change the picture again. Change the picture upon them again.
You know, change it. The same about the request, but I'm not taking it. And now the blood clot carry me attack. Wrong turn carry. You're ugly in a blood clot. If you ever stand me, don't call me name. Look for me and look for you. Go suck your mother. Go turn. I'm on the blood clot. You know wish you like on the blood clot, Prime Minister. When I'm going, when the dirty blood clot, I'm going. One marketing. Go suck your mother. Finger up your big pussy mama. Nasty blood clot, Kerry, go suck your mother if you're a wrong turn. If you're a wrong turn, you're ugly in a blood clot. If you're yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Kerry, your favor.
This child want to mash up Kerry mode.
Move on the dirty blood clot.
Kerry, you mash up.
Come back on the Batman Prime Minister, we're so good like dog. No Batman never come up on export marketing. Move with the dirty blood clot and come stop me, kindly look at me. Me kind of one blood clot that I went up on social media. Come stop me, blood clot, you stink no bumbo clot. Go suck for the mama. For the sour mama. Go suck for the sour mama. When I move on the dirty blood clot, when the wicked are going to Batman Prime Minister. When I'm the Prime Minister, I'm pussy. Dirty Kerry, go watch out your dirty pussy. Good morning. Go suck your mother.
Y'all don't invite me.
Oh my God!
We were just talking about
No
man, you're not. Hold on, I see you.
You can't fight up on yourself on that.
1 second. Hold on, listen.
What's up for the mother? Good right.
All the little British accent to man appear problem over there.
I don't understand that, but I'm. Mario, let me talk.
Lady, don't
But you call for that Belize. Belize accent to have, and America Belize. A small island to there.
Let me say this to women. Who they cuss women. Don't play around. Don't invite me in your box. How are you cuss that big fat sour woman and school around?
What's that dirty
Big
woman?
fat and sour. Yes, take big fat and sour. Nancy Kerry.
That woman, the mama son. Mama son.
Nancy Kerry, look for me, Kerry, and you're wrong. Look for me. I'm not in the part of me feel good.
You're sexy, you're a sexy piece of woman.
Kerry, me not born wrong. You know we got stir up over there, Tiny. We got stir up over there, them cut them.
Over the mash up.
Them some for lamp and good.
Tiny over the mash up, Tiny.
So the first
Mr. Sela Philan them, and that's him do.
You don't accept her, but me not come back over there. And them call my blood clan, you know them can't manage them a ball. Them a ball to blood clan. But them a call me
the banana. The green plant.
Mama son down them over there. I went Tika there. Who want Tika, you know?
Office right now.
Hear them.
Answer the woman. But the fact that I'm in the box, who is the moderator? Like, no invite. I was just talking about the big fat sour woman. Why would you put her in the box?
Yes, you just a talk about me. So you call my blood clan name 5. You just a talk about me now.
Who had her in the box?
No, man, nobody
Who had her in the box the second time? Here's the mic. I asked it, who had her in the box the second time?
I'm going to cuss her and tell her so she's done.
Don't play with me, alright? Seriously, don't play with me.
So like you somebody.
Yeah, but don't play with me.
And she call me again.
I couldn't even
Yeah, call Mama son name and she not answer.
I had to step out the office.
Well, I should couldn't answer because I was about the
The
office.
second time, I'm not answering the chat. I love this.
Fuck out.
Don't you woman, you can't call Mama son name and she not answer you.
Hey, I'm going to stir up her and she call me name.
Go watch them, listen to the crap.
Oh, Mama son sexy and look good, dirty woman. You can't
And
miss
she
Mama
call my
son.
blood clan name. She call me name for.
You come about Mama son, for you know something about her?
But we shall call up my name for me see her, me know her.
This Tiny is superior for the dirty woman. You look on her?
I push my own key and I'm not going to tell nobody say me I go out or come in. Me alright.
I am fish back. As bad as thing maybe. I don't want no $5,000, I don't want no Heineken.
You do what? Me can buy my own. Me don't want nothing from them.
Morning.
She too out of order. We don't
I will
handicap
Tika there from morning, me no hear Tika. We Tika there. Tika come in, cause this a pass you.
Hey, where Tika there? You don't hear
Long
Tika.
time I no
Where
hear
Tika
from
there, Mama
Tika,
son?
you
You
know.
don't see her.
No.
I have to keep check with Tika, you know.
Oh, yeah, because Tika kind of have a little issue and a little like get headache. So we have to check on her to see. Never,
Yeah, man.
me did text her, but she not answer me back yet.
Me say, Mama son, don't need dirty people there.
No,
Yeah, cost still come. I pay you know say then lock off. Then to go on, man, and low PNP alone. After we now look on them, we now go on them platforms, so them a come over here, come fast and come.
And that them a do come over and come spy and record and Photoshop and carry it over for them live.
Them platform, nothing now galang over there.
No, them a listen.
The foolishness them a chat. And then Prime Minister a thief. Then Prime Minister a thief and gunman. Wall up Jamaica upon a ransom. Criminal them. How can you pay $30,000 for one ticket? $40,000. Eh? Police stop you, I charge you for this, I charge you for that, I charge you for that. A ransom. I go in your pocket. Criminal them.
I see them a thief. I'm murder poor people, boy. Why?
One ticket I used to cost $500 and $1,000. I cost $10,000 now. Jamaica people know for wise up.
No, but all Mama Sam. Mama Sam, I Vegas live then the pan.
The past one live what they hear them at
about Vegas full tiny.
MP. It's tiny.
Yo.
The past one live what they hear what somebody at about Vegas they can't turn MP. MP for who?
Look on him also a country and carry the people them go down there where they are go look on. In the shame. Look on the people them go look on each of it two stick if it ever rock. If it ever rock it tumble down.
That's shame for you, man.
Vegas is a disgrace to this music industry.
Yeah, man. In career gone. Oh, if he career gone, you know. He career right off my map. Vegas career right off my map.
Him not going away. Nobody not listen to you.
Yeah, man. He wipe off my map, man. Nobody not want to hear that, man. It's because I'm a gay. I'm a gay.
See all him wife left him.
Yeah, good. Last I chase Batman and chase every Batman and catch him, say.
From the video come out with Peter came with Vegas, the woman left him because she find out say my Batman.
You can't go find out Batman. I entertain Batman. Vegas, you can't be no MP for Jamaica people because you're gonna foreign gang mingle up with Batty boy. So it's a big Batty fish. I may say Batty upon your jaw. Me listen one live and you say Batty upon your face. He's a Batty fish, a big whale.
Shit in a plate. Shit in a plate.
Body no
shit in a plate.
Where? Usher
shit in a plate. Yeah, shit in a plate.
Usher him out. Body no want you.
Shit in a plate, boy. Dirty Vegas.
You're a dirty friend. Them. You can't come talk about Mr. Tiny and Mama San. You don't know nothing about Mr. Tiny. We'll call them house clean and nice. Look how
Mama San pretty. Look how Mama San pretty. Because Mama San like a gold mine. You see Mama San like a gold mine. Look how Mama San like a gold mine. You can't look at Mama San.
You don't think why them over there they don't like woman. That's why them over there entertain the argument because they don't like woman.
A true woman, a kill off woman them.
Yeah, you can't bring down Mama San. Go ahead.
They might kill off woman, them and turn batty man, labor right, they might kill off woman, them and turn batty man.
Hey, over there Europe. The nasty girl and ball over there. Oh, you must do that. I'm in the office, I couldn't even answer my phone. I couldn't answer that big fat woman. I wish I could fat me fat. The street. Oh, Dada. I see over there call my blood clot name. I mean, yeah, eh?
Make a hungry girl turn in, make she turn over there. Make she turn and find and stay in her office. Where her boss a cock her up round there. Make she go ahead.
But that boss I want to share handicap, you know.
Are the handicap girl?
Kerry, the one named Kerry.
Is she in her office?
Yeah.
That's why it sound like when time duck play in the water.
I'm going to promise to have to see now because to that Jamaica.
Maybe she has something in her mouth, you understand? Yo, she son. But why you hide her? Why you hide her in the box? Why you hide her in the box? Don't play with me, don't play with me.
Like a shithead. Them a shithead. Crackhead, they live in my crackhead enough. You them smoke crack.
should I get a chance of her at this or out of there? Can this mama son, you mad?
Your man and my baby that, you can't leave me baby.
And them want
You
to
tell her, say,
and them over there cause all blood clot, you know. And them ask the man
and
who
Jonas
in the
poop in
box.
her mouth.
You see them on the cuss, mama son? Them a cuss. They mash up them here.
They're going to send the next request. That's it, my request. See what God has to say.
And job creation, very well qualified. Those are jobs that have nothing to do with politics. She just puts up their position.
I want to tap it up, tap it up.
And them a tap up. Them a tap up.
Sure, that the money's spent right. Hold on, guy, don't add nobody to your life. Don't add nobody to your life. Please, don't add nobody. All want to send a request, but they send it.
Look at me. That's what I never had me back.
Yeah, that's it.
With that behavior, why you keep on and send requests? Why you believe?
That's spent on the program. The program is empty.
Mario.
Let's listen what the Prime Minister says.
Tell your friend. Tell your friend for something.
Let's alone. Let's listen what
Mash up money, boy. Mash up them drunk in
trick them again. Prime Minister over there trick them again.
I put something in them comment. That's why I'm mother. So good do John there.
Yeah. Look at.
So good do John here.
From there, I see. You mean never. All right. Man, buy you cannot. Man, buy family. First time, man, come on. It's the best video on the phone. Yeah.
You know that them people go back in a parliament, they have to win Westmoreland. Then Westmoreland are done win already.
How much for this? Very fast.
But me not even know them. And them come call up my name on them platform. They don't let me go over they go distance.
Put fire for man buy no fire. Serious ni just go in one and just go to my play on the pan. So buy. No. One more crack na fire ni sa man buy pan.
And that them a come pan the live them for do. They record we and photo and go pan them live go so we are safe.
And the money I see na nigga. It's na nigga like here number one. That's all I have. That's all I have. Nah, like can't use up something that's what I want. It is no man. Come on. Big man there.
That's where Marim come from.
People are picking them up here walk through. I say, who are downtown Sablam? I have wing worm and granite.
Black man, look at me.
Yeah, I'm going to black you.
Black you, man.
You're
I'm
a
going to
black.
black you.
When I come in here, I'm a nice clean bed. Relax in my bed. Just eat 2 slices of bun and cheese and milk. And relax in my blood clot and then parasite they come over there.
Dirty Terry.
And somebody already come over with live band come feed them a distraction. And them go over there, then record way. And screenshot way. And go over for other people. Them live got chat both way. They cannot chat people better answer than them.
Mama Tiny. When me attack, if they want to screenshot me, I screenshot me, not I don't care fuck about them.
I'm not busy with them one screenshot or lick shot or undershot or
lick shot or they want ras do. We're not doing nothing illegal.
Exactly.
I want to talk about propaganda. I want out there we are talking with our eyes.
We are talking with country Jamaica. We are talking with country of Jamaica we are talking about.
And them are trying to shut way up. Them are trying to shut way up.
I just cover politics. I'm life a man in Slum. It's a message over politics. Them I call up my name, the guy carry them. Just cover the come to cover that blood clot and give it to them. Nobody go attack me and Tiny. I call up me and Miss Tiny name and I'm Miss Tiny name. I look at them. Okay? Let's Miss Tiny because I call me because them I call woman name. But when they never call up Miss name.
Yeah.
Look at Miss. They're afraid of Tika. Come over there and taste the dirty girl. Here, Chassis. Come over there and taste it. You know, I didn't see the big of all my big and fat. And I say, I mean, see that chat about. I see a call my name, you know.
I see a call your name.
See a ball now. And I talk about why they put me in the box and wait. The man said, I never know say she. I never know say she. Because them things are one page. Me have posted me. I go be on the worst night there. Go suck on the mother.
Mama son, you know, fat man, you're thick. You're thick.
You're thick. I chew your shot. I chew your shot.
You're thick.
But I thick, she thick.
You know, fat.
She not fat. I thick, she thick.
You're thick. Your body thick.
I'm big and fat. Like
you're big and fat.
You're shaky. You're shaky. You're shaky. You're firm. You're tight. You're tight.
You're tight.
You're tight, mama son. Nobody watching nasty ugly girl them boy. You're tight.
Wrong
turn. She vexed.
Wrong turn.
Yeah.
Look up for mama son. She don't owe you nothing. Wrong turn.
Wrong turn.
Look for mama son. Wrong turn. Look for mama son. Look for quality. Wrong turn. Wrong turn.
Look at mama son clean.
Prime Minister, I'm
Wrong turn, ease up off of Mama son.
When me say she call my name already again, that's why I cuss her, you know. And today I get you over there, call up my name, I'm on this big stinking half handicap blood clot, girl. Eh? And she thinks I'm going to hear.
Go and go pay attention to your Prime Minister where I walk around like him a do something for Jamaica. All him a do, I open my one room house, I talk about him a cut ribbon, and I fool the Jamaican people. Then go and go look for him. Time now do nothing for Jamaican people.
And this
The Prime Minister now do nothing for the massive of the people of Jamaica. Go on over there and leave Mama son alone, dirty woman. Stay in your office. Your Prime Minister.
You know, the man tell them say, them belly full on them for them one hungry and them still a run behind him.
Majority of Jamaica people, they're hungry. I feel labor right here, get the house, them dirty man. Woman, go on over there, go look for Andrew and leave Mama son alone. You know what people in Jamaica don't live nowhere?
We never remember about them in our standing. I still we don't remember about them.
We don't remember them, you know, so we not even go upon them live.
Andrew,
so why them a come to our one and remember we?
Andrew, if you not make it town center, if you not make it town center like a PNP, then I go away.
I'm Bill making to get money.
Look on the infrastructure. Look on the infrastructure where PNP come in, the transport center. Look for the transport center after 3. That alone kill the labor right them. Look for the transport center.
Come Mama San trade.
Good afternoon, sir.
Come Mama San nice. What do you mean?
Remember labor right
them. Mama San a quality, not quantity. Mama San quality. Mama San a quality, not quantity. Quality.
PNP woman they ever look good.
Come on, sir.
We have to.
You don't know what the labor right girl. I don't know what. Some of them have no teeth. Some of them then face bend up. Some of them have wrong turn.
Now come on, now go for something.
One time I used to chat to a labor right girl. Every day she talk about labor right. Run her out, not left her.
I don't know for what. When we do them.
Me alright. Them have to work and kill out themselves. I don't have to work if I don't want to. I can stay at my house and live my life. And if them know who is tiny. Them don't know me, but them don't know we, but them a call our name and a chat. Them need to know who is tiny and who is Mama Sam. Like one where I tell about
Tell them, say, listen, una wait for labor right, she wait for PNP. She are the PNP blacker, una labor right blacker. Me una know who, me not stick her in the box, so me no send back her next person, but black, no blood track, I don't know it.
And that them do all the time. That's what you fi do. And that you fi do when them come and I cut off them out, you just kick them out same time.
That me do, man, you know, say that me do enough of them.
We don't want no labor right over here to come distract. You know, you may tell Packer this morning. We don't want no distraction and we don't want nobody to come the real way. I was PNP did up on the live when you attacked Mama Sam.
Yeah, I don't know see no PNP, me don't know who the panel line of PNP are labor. But me not
because me hear somebody has said Mama Sam is a woman in a trouble people.
But me never hear. Me don't know no PNP, me don't know about the youth name Olympic. Me don't know if him know me I work on me, the man said him say, Olympic, be with your friend there, I must say, yo, no take nobody else in the box and realize I mean, you know.
Okay.
Diane, so me there, let's see, I'll go over there. Me not them box, I not fit them box with us, so no can use it. Oh, God, I'm driving.
I saw them say, man, they want to shut up everybody. They want to shut up people, they don't want people to talk.
Even though them say, I know, give a point.
appointed by the no go some.
How that Alvira?
Appoint him with advice from.
Yeah.
That's it. That's what I'm just gonna say. Job post close for the second after.
And who for live in the pan?
I've applied for job.
Diane.
Sometime
You don't show a friend Cosmo tell you say you're too rude.
apply for it.
Mama son, you don't see Cosmo tell you say you're too rude.
Our husband is. They say when we come to Jamaica, I'm going to come.
Has been working on integrity.
Oh, Dad, this girl about this big fat woman. What's she called fat? Eh? You frisky like me, nasty girl. You see your handicap, you twist up. You feel a wrong turn.
No, but the institution, in her role, are you moving, put an inexperienced man in her role, that make any sense?
You know, say the owner live, I mean, I really like follow.
That's one. And then two,
I Jamaica, Carlos, I really fun of him.
the advertisement of a vacancy is clearly stated. The man have security training and that man don't have none. The whole you move a man with the training to a game man don't have none.
That's a big guy, don't it?
But I see a thing jam come out and say no, cause jam come out and say who was the listed set a member list fee job? Who wouldn't list fee? And how is it that you have so much shortfall in towards the job and you give the job? All of them people couldn't have shortfall. That wouldn't make no sense. But if you watch a TVJ clip when him say I'm gonna leave, in the clip them state that this was an announcement more than a month ago. So no something happen now, you know. A long time, you know. So you can't tell me say a man just all leave their job now. Somebody contact JFF and asked them 1 month ago, and they said they don't know about it. And the person contact said they're sure that I come from within the ministry. That means a job must finalize more than a month ago. If you confirm with the person I job you must make him be aware around similar that time. I just scam man, I tell the people in that.
So when them said it, the blue that pool said them a lead?
Which blue pool man, the pool and they are not go some man, the pool and they were man they are Jamaica. The man gonna small and gonna lead what? They can lead well you have to understand what they say. She said that and she said that. Meanwhile, he must say him not calling until him feeling him have comfortable lead. So if you're a lead, why do you wait again? But that was someone I just scam propaganda.
The real thing about them and dads. What's the outcome I'm gonna be? Because it's like they want to something they into, you know.
This just I just keep going to think quiet, you know.
Yeah, because it's like they want to take him from social media off. They want to debunk everything.
No, because the thing is, you know, the people understand them and show documentation. Documentation can't lie, you know. That means that somebody must know about it, it must produce by somebody. A mere fucking man said, him have his shares, the truth. From when him have his shares, from 2009, as per court document. So him can't now tell us, say, him never know when him in a creative law, in 2020, say have a disclose your shares. Him can't say him never know, you know. That him create the law, you know. Him know, him help pass the law, you know, so him know what it's about, you know. Then how you keep your share so long until problem coming in 2025. You have a right to the companies to remove you as a shareholder. So about the years that when you have done never state how for shares it is. To be an integrity commission. That means you mislead the integrity commission to you. false information. So that a claim now go now. Where more sue for now? The man name say him by. If you are going to sue him, say a misinformation. You know a misinform the companies at Jamaica because you inform them say no your shares not there now. Because they have as a director and a shareholder in a company. So how you go sue man when they didn't get the information from? It's just that suit fish to be mouth. If you know about it, there's a gag out of suit. Which nah go nowhere.
Let's have me a Batman for Rosalie another one. Tika! Tika, come here, Tika! Bumbo clad! What are you doing?
So if you buy it not cheaper because you wouldn't benefit it. Yeah, so if you understand, I just what me already did is something really come on. Because I'm going to show people some things right. They never know. Because all the people that are just one bag of waistline. All the other 4 directors of that place, all of them have security training, have been in a law enforcement thereabout, are them type of agency. Then it's some never done none. So that means one X him off. And I main requirement that and him not be a part of it. Then how you give me job? It just doesn't make no sense.
But it can't make no sense, Alvira.
I never bother look at when you say no. Because I see them circulate one picture. Another picture they may go use machine up tonight. So one man claim.
To all them are move, them are operate like say. Them own the people, they own the people in life. They own everything about for the people them. It's like we don't understand the government justice. Then just go in and then do what they want to do.
No, but the picture where them show about data and camera friend, that don't make no sense. That picture don't make no sense. That picture not tell you nothing. You haven't tell why that not tell you nothing? Let's say we use that and say we can't give a job for you. They look for a picture where Dennis Chung and Julius have together. I ride up on a bicycle all board. Turn up. So how is it that you discount that picture with Dennis Chung and Julius? Or if they have any example and friend, how that makes sense?
Wait, they have the information they want to support the Campbell, anything we do.
No, go someone.
So they're not. They want us to chat.
When man say more damage, man already give her.
Yeah, over there, you Richard. A long time you come over here, catch you burn him out. You come over here, so.
And yeah, I see report.
You Richard.
In the two to the PNP live, I'm most a labor live because I want to rebound.
But me I say, come over here for months now.
Yeah, but listen, if certain people in the box, it's not going to come up in there because I know we're going to burn him up because you what?
Yeah.
Yes, in front of time when we tell him whatever, because all them love the labor right life, because they might rebunk. Rebunk your shit, we are rebunk, where you can't tell them, say, we then believe.
You not even going to believe, say.
Labor right need to see over them side.
Afternoon, baby.
Labor right need to see over for them, please.
Good afternoon, sir.
And chat to them one another.
Thank you for the likes. Stop at the scheme. We'll go 100K likes. 100K. You know, stop at the scheme and go 100, please. But they are from 6 o'clock and I want at 2 o'clock now.
I 1 o'clock for plenty of them.
But when the information will come out, what is that? That makes sense.
But you watch Andrew Stevenson from there.
Just average man we want, just go check.
Them are watching for said when the lion is sleeping, never you try to wake him.
Not trouble them, after we never trouble them.
No, that's all them to come over here to come conspire. I'll listen and go back because say we are separate now, sir.
Forensic data.
When love wagwan.
When love wagwan, baby.
Why?
Today,
All
and
what me I say now. The Jamaican people will have to get smart, you know, because guess what? Me remember the days and time we used to take Encarver, Patty Pan, JU, and Mr. Patterson go away and come back. And that's why me own 2 car under PNP government. Poor people can own all 4 car, can build house. No cure whole body things under PNP time you can do something. You understand? So Jamaican people remember them something there.
Look here for the nagal listen to that one over here, so cause Sydney over here and you Richard over here, remember them can't agree, you know, and them one gone over there. But you saw here the war star. Oh, Clark, I seen the coming out boxing come out.
Sydney now got turn over there.
As Mr. Cindy coming out the boxing, Richard come out.
You know why you were Sydney, I say?
Blood clot. As about coming out the boxing come out.
You know why you were Sydney, I say? Because Sydney always telling me right.
Yeah, me tell you, say, me
Richard,
over there, no.
You can't manage.
You Richard always on.
You can't manage.
I'm no friend, so that's why I don't like it. Me can't keep telling me true.
Me say, me just a tell for my life, so look where I got over here, so now. You Richard in the box and Sydney gone in the box. I bet you I'm going to come out. That time I say so,
Yeah.
the man disappeared to blood clot.
You, come on, stop keep up.
Yeah.
If he say you Richard in my bangarang, you know.
In my bangarang, yes?
My bangarang.
It's
a little two-sided, man. Can you love chat to your labor right there? It's a
Mama said I
two-sided
white beard man. I white beard man. Mama, I white beard man.
You Richard man, one of the dark funny man. You Richard is over here, boy, my debunk.
Yeah, man, me listen all the while, you know.
Oh.
It sound like it's a two-side cutlass.
Yes. So two him
Funny,
and
I'm
Sydney angry. But when they come with him fuck with Sydney, take him on. So
yeah, man, me listen all the while, man.
Yeah.
Me listen all the while. It sound like a pan.
Enough time Sydney take them on, I listen to them, I listen to them, I mash them up in the man. Them know why Sydney give them a fax, I give them a fax, and then they want to drop them.
I will not stay on any platform with him. You hear him saying now stay on a platform with Mr. Sydney. Yeah, well, like you alone can't hold up people platform. Go for yourself. I'm glad to have my own platform and I can't turn on my live and me alone the panic. I not take nobody's style in for invitation. Come on for a phone live.
Nobody's. That's strong. This is we see, I just a bunch of nothing. You can't follow them, just one bunch of
nothing. Come on for a phone live. What's your one like a Are you Richard? Well, bumble clap people like.
In a Jamaica. Now we're looking at this and see what this man made out of.
Well, that's what I tell him. You Mr. Stephen, I'm the feel like I'm come out for a fight. So, you want to stay on a live, you're going to make people have things to chat on you. Come up for them live.
Active position.
Because I'm that me doing it, so me the pan a live and me hear them and all them a behave and talk. Me just come up, because me no want text nothing and disrespect nobody. So me just come up fight. You see VG, me don't know who him is, but me don't like listen to him live. To me, it's like him bias.
One of the moderator, them come in and know much moderator. Me I want add me gifter. My gifter, but that gifter will come over here today. Want
Yeah.
add as a moderator. Me can't add because them have too much moderator already. So me have to move one of them. So
She never hear the up them and I wish, babe.
one.
One mama, one.
Mama, big up yourself, auntie. I'm auntie then.
People that were hustling in the market, then can't hustle take a labor right. And the little people that were sell on the roadside, nothing can sell take a metro.
Because them check out the
Police
people
run
them.
them down.
Mama son.
And then when they
Nobody
take
can
out them
hustle.
things, them can't go share it.
Mama son.
That's true, man.
Yo, hold on them about. Mama son, you over there, the boy them now let me now, the boy them now take me up in a car, they know what me up for, you know. See, and
Them said I'm not taking nobody else. We don't know why.
you what them a do now, no, them dep on the youth and name Mario, them a mold him to them let you in, and them him let you in, and them allow you to a cuss than the other idiot woman down there. Say, but big sour woman and them with it. So me text her, me say you in something where you come out of something big and sour. Look for me good clean mama son and them with it. Them block me.
Them
I
never
didn't
do
want
that.
up in them, you want go in, up in them, you want go rip them, up in them,
I 2 times go over there, go push contract for them blood clot, man. And I give them no chance to say nothing, no chance.
You left them in a misery.
Yeah.
Right now, them a kill the brother. If you go over there and listen to them a kill the brother when name Mario. And them a cuss him to him should have stopped.
Yeah.
Him should have stopped the woman and don't make the woman deal with her. Carry jump off, cuss and jump off of the live and gone, and then
like that.
Man name Marcia.
She call me name. And she call me name over there now. And when we go bust back gunshot on them, because they feel like a joke thing when I show them a gun something target on me have. They feel like a joke thing when they pan. After my bust back gunshot on a blood clot, she about like a baby. I'm
me say you press them button that me they want put the icing on the cake and them say, yo, don't take him up, don't take up shave. I saw them a fight, and that's why the whole of them a fight. Them me say, no pussy whole lucky, you see bumbo whole batty boy. You see forever they don't this.
Well, them block me. They kick me off and block me instant.
That them do with me. And that them do with me. Me sound a bomber clock. Me sound a smoke that up in on a pipe.
Yeah. I will have to tell him.
The mama son support me to go over there. I'm not teacher. I'm teacher.
Mama son, them send you, you send me. They not take me up. Alright, me dip up on them and me say, alright. When the fuck out, when mama son left you in a fire, burn up.
In a fire?
Burn up. Me say no bomba.
Mama son.
I couldn't even answer.
You go find them know.
A big fat sour. I couldn't answer that big fat sour.
Them know me. Them know me when I go on the live. Me go on the live, mama son. Them know me, you know. Me go test them, mama son, on the live and you go away. Me go test them, mama son.
Mama son, you're
live here. Which live? Which live in the pan? Hold on there. Which live?
Sport, politics and sport.
Politics and sports.
Yeah. All right. Let me come off, man. Let me done, man. Let me done. Me go take them on.
Mama son, me say.
Kerry, look for me, Kerry.
Them a balling up. Them a balling up. Say, oh, don't take up the one. Don't take up chain, you know. Don't take up chain. Don't take up chain because you go over there, go send over chain. And I saw them at the
come over like that.
Kerry, I'm a fluffy. Kerry, I'm a skin clean. I don't care about look.
Earth angel, mama son. Earth angel. You're clean.
Mama, them say you send me, them should have opened the gate and let me, you see our next icing and the cake that them did all get again in them. I did one and open here, them beg to
who that? So you're the man of mama son, I see one of them apply for PNP.
Me say, Marcia and Kerry and my life.
Me not put somebody else in a she, me go find a nasty Kerry, you know.
But Marcia come take it up.
A wrong turn, a blood clot. Just, hey, hey, big stinking girl, I call my blood clot. You come here and tell me name for come suck me tiny, look at me. Cheek and the whole blood clot like a whole PNP away. But, hey, you're going to fuck them.
Me say you're dirty up the system. Me say you're dirty up them clear
water.
Miserable, them miserable.
Me say over them miserable right now. Yeah, she and so the girl come up. Cause the girl have said to add me.
Natural.
And when the girl Terry talk about the girl nothing so them me say me wanna get in and me say me have a text, you know. And me text her, me say, hey girl, you know what mama tell you about. That's what mama tell you about we as the male. And them say black them man, they don't take him up, them don't take me up, you know. And them say black and if mama son over here, me hear him over mama son and mama son man, don't take him up. Me say you dirty them up. Trust me, you know what? Nobody need to go over there go do. I say
Nobody more need to go over them. I will fix them, man. Out hard and bright. Oh, you see read over here saying now.
All right.
How you call my name? Where you call my name from?
For the police, somewhere like it. And the spot news media get full and run. Right, and the criminal element on your street.
Hey, Mama Sam, then when them see a lion asleep, then have to wake them up.
They don't understand. They don't understand what is that. Remember
exactly.
When you talk with them, you know, well, by here we are cussed dirty Angie one is so licky and same belly full, you know. We greedy puppet work, you know.
No man, they burn them through your attack, man, so them they attack, so them go over them live. I call up the name. Then I call up my name because them don't even know who I am.
Them know me coming and hide my face and see me every day.
No, me say they don't know who I am and who I mix with. And I don't want the problem. Because if I find them there, they will get fined.
It's tiny.
Yes, Courtney.
They have a handout government. The government name handout. What the government should do, build some factory, believe me, 2 factory. Make him recognize. Build 2 factory and put the young people to work. And that the government need to do is stop walk around and handout. When you have a handout country, everybody are going to get lazy and don't want to work. Exactly. The people them where get us, some of them strong, same way them can work. It's a handout government. And the Jamaican people have too much likes. You don't need to go work. Some don't have energy now, nobody say, well, no need to go work. You don't love too much handout. No government need to go work on 3 factory where you don't get to work. But bill where you don't want. You don't need too much handout. You don't too licky. That's a Jamaica problem. You don't too licky boy.
Yeah, man. When they talk about PNP love. When they done them talk about PNP love and out, I will for a look work. Plenty of we already put in the work already, so they know what to do.
But PNP people are really working. PNP people are working as people, so they can't talk to it.
Oh, I tell them every day, sir. If PNP can't get one work, we rather go hustle. Sell some bag juice and some color or something to make our money. Because a bag juice make me the offering. Me tell them that a bag juice make me the offering.
All of the hosts, they made the Prime Minister make them favor ice factory.
And a bag juice make me have a house.
People need to go make them dream house and stop work and take handout. You don't need to go work. We don't do all of the day on no life. How long are they at Jamaica? Look how long are they on earth? If the Prime Minister provide food, we know make more than us already. Right? If the minimum wage you're talking now in a pocket, we don't need to get handled. I mean, say minimum wage no mean nothing. I'm not talking about you have a good Prime Minister.
But
I like me tell on the panel.
No,
if the minimum wage at work, we no need to get handout.
Yeah.
But Courtney, them at work $15,000. And at the end of the day, by the time them take out them bus fare and them lunch money, How much left out there for them cook some food and send them to the school?
Exactly.
Okay, so that them I talk about minimum wage. A minimum wage can't buy nothing. Cause every day things are raised. Every day things raised. You buy something
What?
for $10 today.
Tiny. Right now, me have a little business and right now, enough time you see. When I buy like this week and next week I go back. When I spend all 1 cent, I want to eat $100,000. I come here, I not spend no money. God bless me get.
That's true.
Believe me. Right now, all business run like one time. The business now run for like one time. And if any labor them come in, the business no money now. I think when I was, I think,
Me believe you. Me believe you because my dad.
I tell you.
My dad
This time me not cut you.
My dad did about shop down there, shop lucky down.
This time me not cut you.
What?
Tiny.
Yo.
If it China then left Jamaica right now, Jamaica, we will allow it suffer.
Mash up.
We dead in our show if it China then pack up and go.
Because we have nothing for ourselves.
Because we not nothing for China. The China them are all way up right now. The China them with them little cheap, and them are all way up right now. Because we them sitting there we can survive off. And them are feed with China, them are feed with. Only them alone right now. I keep way up. The government now keep way up. The government now keep way up. China them are save way. And the China them are save way right now.
Because when you can't go in one Chinese store, go get a little work. The government have no factory or nothing. All them are tell you about call center. Call center. Everybody can go in a call center.
This man a walk around and build one room and bathroom and give people, and then they now put the Jamaican people to work. The people them need work, factory. The people they need for go produce food, to go produce some sachet. Look how much mango they are waste. Look how much apple are waste. Look how much pumpkin are ripe in a field and a dash way. Look how much breadfruit, everything a dash way.
Courtney, me say a man now, I saw over there. The amount of cucumber. The amount of cucumber with the man have in a place and he can't get sale. He must ask some
Prime
people.
Minister, you hear that?
They must ask some people. Where go market, we come buy some of them and can't go market, go sell.
People have
them feel. And it not now go on because everything I import are coming to Jamaica. And sell cheap. So the people are not going to feel cheaper. Those are the things we talk about. Plant your own food and you can eat your own stuff. Right now, plenty of the stuff them there. Plenty of the stuff them where them as import as sick people.
I just put them in the fridge and spoil.
A true man. You know what season you buy, I buy them so them spoil for you. I don't lie tell.
I just put them in the fridge and spoil and get soft and get withered.
A true man, a real thing man.
Like in a PGA time and Porsche time, Jamaica wasn't like this. A crocodile bag me I carry from market with food.
A true man.
Food reasonable. No, you can't. One scandal bag and a $10,000. Yam deer, Irish deer, potato deer, everything deer, pumpkin deer. What is government do for feeding nation? Sell out the land them to friend them. No factory na bill.
And let the farmer them to suffer.
You can't build out enough house to give poor people at Jamaica. Enough people there where you not find it, when live underneath one sheet of zinc. You can't build enough house.
And not get nobody no house.
Put the Jamaican people to work where they can help themselves.
And people money, they might use to build them. And for themselves. Look how much Airbnb them have. For themselves, for them build out a taxpayer money. Look about apartment. Them are build. For rent out. No man, them need to help the people. Nobody knows so they can build and get something. But they need to help the people them. Then if you help the people them too, because that's what the people them put there for.
This government,
You help me and me help you, and that's supposed to be gone. But they're not helping poor people, them are just the rich
this
people them
government
are
they
survive.
focus on private sector, this government they are focused on. Not the
But the
Jamaican
rich people
private
them,
sector.
then you that me I tell you, say, rich people them not look out for. Them not look for the poor class people them where get up people and them something that run up and down fame and put them in there. And not look out for them the type of people there.
You them out in the market that sell little something. You them out in the market that sell little something and you send police, you send metro, you send everybody soldier upon them. And mash up the youth them cat, I take with them jeans, I take with them clothes, I take with them food. We you want them to go do?
Thief
and
then
criminal.
them. And when
And then now you
them
send police
them.
and soldier to go run them down like bird. Jamaica no wake up. This man no like we. A demons.
Them standing up, them standing up.
The man rise up against Jamaica people. The market people they not sell nothing. All you can hear them a come. And you see one whole heap of cat run and go down the road. No peace.
And the people that were against stuff, where you call it, chapel, and them up there lift them up and run with it.
No light, hey, me's a man where talk to the Jamaican people, you know.
Mama Tiny. You used to go all over market. You used to go all over market to sell and chew that.
Not talk about all over market. You can't buy nothing all over market. I pay rich people go this. You can't buy a $600 a pound for yam. You can't buy this.
Idea is market in the whole Jamaica.
All $600, all $500 a pound to tomato. You can't buy this. These are look a poor man. You have $1,300. You can't walk all over market.
Market got off Daniel.
So you find most of the people got meal pain, but enough food and that meal pain to feed the people.
Okay.
So sometimes some of them stray got town.
Okay.
Yeah, true.
And look how much land that Clarendon. Look how much land that Clarendon.
Good on market.
Mr. Tiny, me no cut you. Good on a Mitchelltown. Good on a Yorktown. Good on a Rhinesbury. Whole heap of land, Mr. Tiny. Whole heap of land. What this government are doing, I hit too much here in there. Land down there like dirt. He not help the minister down there, the PNP man, Paul Coast. He not help the man. Because guess what, it's a PNP run down there, so he not help the man uplift the place and give the people them the land to plant food. Food can't enough for Jamaica, we can feed ourselves.
But it's used to. Remember, so we used to have the people them on Friday evening or Thursday evening. You see truckload of people that got market. Truckload of busload of people.
Mr. Prime Minister. Mama son not sleep, man. Mr. Prime Minister, if you love the people, put the Jamaican people to work. That me believe in. He's a young youth. Put the Jamaican people to work if you love the Jamaican people. Make them plant food. Put in the people, make them plant food. Build some factory and put the Jamaican people back to work. Make we lift back this country. A puppet to take with far. The Jamaican people need to know about work with too much hands out. Everybody want to drive bees. Everybody want to drive markets and you don't want to work.
But
that's how the country take time at turn. That's how the country take time at turn homosexual and sodomite. The amount of girl we are sell front of Wallaba and back road. And that you breed up in our country. Everybody are sell batty and sell pussy. Move away from them things and put the Jamaican people to work, Mr. Prime Minister.
Mama son.
Yo.
What you do? Why you do? Lay down?
Let them watch this weekend where on this bad news them and watch them.
We are what?
Alright, go on the jump off then. Go on and try it.
What you say you
come.
I jump off because you go and watch the thing there. So
what?
Yo, me not talk to you watch card. Yo, easy man, yo, cool man.
Andre Stevenson.
Bonifire Courtney.
I want to see you.
Bonifire Courtney.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. The country
Bonfire
want
court,
a
man.
turn, man.
Yeah,
The
man.
country want a turn. We are suffer, brother. The country want a
Yeah,
turn. Too much
bonfire,
idle
boss.
hands. The
Bonfire.
young people, them are dead and alive off. The young people, them are
Yeah, man.
unalive
Bonfire,
off.
man. Bonfire, man.
Too much careless people in our country. The youth, them want things to do. That's why you see people, the young boy, them are look for the people, them girl picnic.
Me have
them
them
not
on
have nothing to
loudspeaker,
do.
you know, talking in the community, make them a hear, you know.
Yes, man, the young
Me have
people,
them on
them want
loudspeaker in the
work,
community, make them a
man.
hear what I want.
Me's a justice minister for the poor people them in the country. Too much idle and some people sit on a yard and them not do nothing. So them a pray for your picnic where you come out of go school and morning time. Them a look for your daughter and your son. You know, see it. We want the people them to start work. We want work. If a man a collect $25,000 a week or $30,000, must can't help himself. $15,000 can't help nobody. 16,000 can't help nobody, Mr. Prime Minister. We need justice in our country. We move away from them. There's something the long time. A modern time now when you want to give with 16,000. Some girl have 3 picnics, some girl have 4 picnics to take care of, plus themselves. Everybody want to look good at Jamaica now. Where $16,000 go?
But then I start.
$15,000 can't work.
Talk about
Run where we got.
15 them I get. In America, that a one day pay or more.
Some boy breed up a girl them and left them with 3 picnic and 4 picnic. So you know, so the mother have to take care of them. You know, see it. And when they go out the pan little hustling, $15,000. And the 3 picnic plus herself and the picnic have to go to school and find food. It's a Prime Minister. And how much you collect? How much you collect, Mr. Prime Minister? 28 bank accounts you have.
29.
And some of them people
$29
that
billion.
Jamaica don't have a bank book. Right now, the young girl, them that some Hindu warrior know that them have to go all out to take care of them picnic, Mr. Prime Minister. You are going to talk about prosperity and choose Jamaica. Mr. Prime Minister.
Oh, you know,
Make I tell you this.
Courtney, you know, you're the man saying belly full.
Belly full? Belly full, your belly are going to drop out because we are waiting for you to call the election. We're tired of this.
No, the man I tell you, them say they're in belly full, so him can always go on, you know, him no business one shit when nobody wants.
Enough youth that in yard and now work, Mr. Prime Minister. But if they know so one factory down there, so I take on some people that walk go down there. If a man knows so one man have one farm over there, so the man take on some people for weed out the farm and plant some potato and plant some Irish. He will go over there, go jump around and do like something and collect one money.
Of course.
Mr. Prime Minister, you're not grow this country and no way you're not grow this country and hand out your deal with your friend them. Come around, come give the youth them $3,000, $4,000 and t-shirt and say jump up and say labor right. And the next 5 years, you said police span them when them buy one look one bike, when they hustle and buy one look one bike and can't lie sneak. You send police to come run them down and analyze them and use van and lick them down off of them bike. You think we don't know what going on, Mr. Prime Minister? He's a shame and disgrace to this country. We think he's a good man. But he's a Alabama.
You don't feel that you don't feel that when the PNP come back in, Shaggy will go back to Bustamante to help the children. You don't feel so?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. I want to touch that long time. I'm going to tell you something. Shaggy not going to work with the Labour Party because Shaggy knows that them a criminal.
Exactly.
Shaggy know them a criminal. You know, see it. A long time Shaggy did help Bustamante, you know. I pay a big show. You know, notice the whole I show them move from Jamaica. No show not keep again.
The truth is that we never had so much problem about Bustamante when Shaggy was in charge.
No.
Top of the line, one got 100K.
No.
You understand what I mean?
Mute your mic when you tap up my bar. No. You understand? The people them now work with the Labour Party because them are criminal.
Mr. Man, when Shaggy was in charge of that hospital, man, that hospital used to do the wonders used to happen up there.
Wonders, yes.
You think so you're
God
not
Almighty, miss everybody a ball
Remember
for them
saying
people
I
every minute.
one. I
And
used
pay
to
funeral.
children hospital in a Jamaica, another one children hospital in a Jamaica
Pay funeral
anywhere.
and keep for the young people them at Jamaica. Pay funeral. Pay funeral. When you should not bury your grandmother, your godparents, them. You the idea you them a bury you. Pay funeral and keep for the young people them. Buster Mantina have nothing up there to help the baby them. And this government that talk about him belly full. It's a shame and disgrace to Jamaica. We are waiting on you, wicked man.
Nothing is up there. I feel so sorry for those poor little babies. Nothing is up there.
Me carry three nurse got hospital last night. And the nurse them a ball said them tired, Mr. Prime Minister. We out and I feel we know what go on. You can't trick we. You can't trick the dunce and the idiot them. The nurse then said them tired, them a overwork, them short staff in every sector in the hospital. We know what go on, Mr. Prime Minister. The people then go to hospital, some people afraid to go to hospital because they not get through till 4 o'clock the other morning and then go from 7. Mr. Prime Minister.
Yeah, but you know, say,
some now come back home.
The people, them, you know, say, some federal, then the federal appeal to the government for raise all the police, increase the police and pay. Because them are underpay.
Me I wonder if this government, if him blind or a wicked so. All the police, them are overworked.
You cook it
Sometimes they
done.
don't want to give the ticket, you know.
The
They
cook
don't
it
want to give the
finished.
ticket, you know. But they under pressure because guess what? If they're not carrying certain amount of ticket go per station, the super handle them like a dog up there.
Yeah.
When you come in back with the book for, you know, if you done the book because the super under pressure from the government. From the government, the super, everything come down to a body, you know.
Yeah. That's it.
Done the book them when you go a road. We are come back in with the book them for.
These are poor people.
The man them a walk around your car at night time and daytime I look for everything, every problem the man them a look for give you a ticket. Everything. It never like this. Jamaican people are under pressure. And Jamaica people never want like say them not no sense.
See, Darrell Vaz are bringing law upon the taxi man if them stop at a gas station and let off a passenger.
Mama son, when you stop at a gas station, sometimes a gas station you can take a little direction. When the passenger call you and say, you know, say me da Constant Spring gas station, pick me up there so. Rain or fall. You understand?
Yeah.
Where thief in Darrell Vaz go, we sell off Blue Mountain Peak. Darrell Vaz, you for go and left Jamaica, you know. You're not Jamaican, you know. You're a white man.
Wait now. Some people yesterday go to Blue Lagoon, go catch fish. And Darrell Vaz drive go down there and wait till them come in and take away the whole of the fish from them. And tell them they not come back, they come do no fishing.
Yeah, because guess what, them same people there. And then same people there support them. So then if they take away fish them to them for under pressure, because Jamaican people now go know themselves till them back against the wall.
Yeah, because
I same people them.
I should them a support and the man, that's why. Should them a Isaac. That's why them do it.
So people them stand out now and say, all right. You know, the man said I'm going to dig up back the road from you not see the video with the woman. The woman I run him when he say, go away, we're going to dig up back the road. You know, hear him?
Yeah.
What kind of people them there in a parliament that stand up for we? What kind of people them there? Jamaica no wise up.
Yeah,
we're not going to know ourselves till we're back against the wall. Judgment are going to take away.
Already we know we're back against the wall. We still come like we not know ourselves.
The man take where the fish them yesterday from the fisherman them.
Right now,
Make
they don't
him
have
one.
right consequence.
Make him
right
one.
now, they don't have right
Exactly.
consequence right now.
Right
Right now,
now,
me have a sitting councillor which part me live and you don't want to see the road to come around my car and mash up. You don't want to see the road to come around my yard. And a sitting councillor live around here.
Which part
The
that?
big mouth woman. Southeast Clarendon. Pernell Charles Jr. Pernell Charles Jr. And a sitting member of parliament like that and in council and the whole of them drive on the road and you don't want to see the road some hole in the road. You can plant banana in it and yam and it grow. And the dirty woman live around here and she now fix the road. You know, see it, and the same people, them, see them a pack up down a Rocky Pine. Hey, Rocky, if you hate the thief, you come over and wash with some own, you know. Me see you come out, you know. Me see some of you come out, you know, when furnitures come down, they hand out, you look a package, you look a food package, come go, you know, because you go like you know hungry and nobody else, you know, you run out, but labor right, you know. And look how long the storm blow off on a place down there, nobody now help you down there, you know. Hey, me I tell you, you know, now suffer, you know. A long time labor right around Rocky, you know, and look how Rocky stay. No upliftment.
Hey, Surfer said, people who come from country, me not this to know, but my office said, this is country people, and then Marcus gave a talk about, them love them belly, Jamaican people on a wall.
Bad. Mr. What you have?
Yeah, country people love them belly.
Part.
Bad.
But they can't trick me because Central Kingston me come from. They can't trick me. They come from a jungle.
When you see them run out with the dirty water and the dirty cow, the dirty cow where the woman cook with them, you say what the blood clot them people, man.
Mama son, me just straighten up something, you know. Mine, you know, country me come from, you know. Mine, you know.
No, me
everybody from this countryside, you know. Not if you know the country, see?
Country.
My country a real country place, you know.
Oh. Nobody can buy me or sell me.
Yeah, and every country them can do that.
Because guess what?
Sentence people them licky because sentence was a PNP country and through them belly them and it over to labor right.
From me come a Central Clarendon come live.
And look, we can't cut out the people them when them all come over. We have to just make sure so we know what we know and try to fix it.
Nothing now go on down here.
No, our country said, our country said, she said, down a Rocky Pine. Walk one down there, the people them still a come out.
Them meet them, hold on, them boss. Hold on. Me have to straighten certain things, you know, brother, when you tell you know. Because we know in our thing and forward and we want to win. Win, we say we want and the people have to make we win. So introduce yourself for a while, my boss. Hear me, I say?
Yeah.
Despite the people suffering with them under, we have a government here where anytime them in a power, people suffer. Because then keep the people them in a most hungry and the most poverty way. The people come them way when the time come like now.
Yeah.
You see them people that what me I say, what we are say to them, look on the last 5 years how them suffer. Come right down till now. A man okay one chicken, come give them in a bag. Take the chicken and eat the chicken and make sure someone vote them out. Vote them out. Vote them out. Don't we not go abuse them or accuse them of nothing. And the same people them are gonna come over and give my goal in the victory that we can go take care of them again because that is we PNP people. We're not just saying that for bar. And we know food. When this government here run Jamaica, madam, people under sufferation. So me know that point blank way. So we are going to ask Jamaica. In the name of Jesus Christ and in the name of our children future. Make we vote and vote for Labour Party. See, and that me as my boss.
I writing as my boss.
Hold on, there's a Tika there, where you say?
Tika just come.
Yeah.
Mama man,
Jesus Christ, Mama son, and see what happened to me on TikTok. No.
Tika,
where you cry?
Tika, me hear you that cry on TikTok. What was the problem, baby? I know.
Why is a long story? I don't want to talk about it on TikTok. Somebody in my PNP group, somebody just send one video with me when me there. When me did go live. When I go live, like somebody screen recorded and splice it up and one bag of fucking. Don't even want to talk. Tiny me, I go send you the video. Mama son me, I go send you the video.
I saw them steer. I saw them steer.
I want something on what platform here?
Politics, something that sport.
Yes, no like I saw.
Let me just go over there, go chase all them blood clot over there. I want more over Olympic. When them Andre or something like that. When them Shane. Them to put me in the box.
Mario.
Mario, I'm coming over Olympic. I'm going to Mario.
But him there overseas, him there over in the diaspora now. Him over diaspora, mama son. Mario there over diaspora.
I him do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, him said one do it. Yeah.
I walk one.
So we repeat back in front of our face over the sit down and take it.
They might try
Mr.
to shut
Oldness.
up all the PNP.
Mr. Oldness, remember say you call with dog.
You know,
You can't shut up nobody. You call with dog. Remember you call with dog. You can't shut up nobody over here.
You don't want about to speak about make them.
Social media platform, we just see it now.
Where said them say Tika do?
That's sound to it.
Tell you for people who want to go here, one. Here I want to go.
Comrade, you're not afraid.
I'm worried. It's much going on. Go shoot on PNP. Man, contact what I want about the gun. Them, leave right now. Contact everything.
Tika said, I'm not clear with Tika.
Hold on, man. Tika talk. Tika, go and talk, Tika.
Yeah, comrades.
Yeah.
Wednesday, one incident happened around here. Where one young man unalive in our woman house, yeah?
Yeah.
We know the strategy. I want to first listen to them thing here.
Yeah.
Happening in our place, and we know the reason. But a man with the one side, my son, and I say, oh, them does a chat, cause them two them not like Andrew, them this, them that. Well, Andrew, all you have to do have to send for me now, cause it's out there. There's nothing more I can do. Cause guess what? Who feels it knows it. When you just come in a politics election eve night, a two brother like spread out flat. So and then we come back again, we see this happen again. 8 hours after the incident, when say when Indicom come, when say when find a firearm. 8 hours after the incident, everybody stand up there watch. I want to take out the unalive man and throw in the jeep. We still not going to come out with my firearm. All of the police them just miss up. But that's why it is what it is, and there's no lie. Not all lie are true. Because if anybody can check back when Andrew just come out West Central, St. Andrew, the two brothers them unalive election eve night. And all of the sabotage, Buchanan get sabotage. We know where it come from. So it's out there now. Where you say, Mama San, what continue with PNP business? Because this not stop nothing.
So at that way you let someone of them splice it.
Yeah.
Oh.
But Tika, you go expect them to come into them splice, you know. But we just read that to
the
yeah.
Why you stop tonight? Why you stop talk?
Yeah, and them a try for this chop what we not do. We don't have no break for we think what we have.
So them over here, I get a no said same place over the platform they chase me and Tiny. Probably some me have to go over there got dig deep up 10 army girls carry and a dead woman and papa and tell her go suck out and do on this back to wall. So
carry resurrect back? No, carry him.
Somebody call out my name.
Well, she never call my name. I'm never looking for hear she call my name yet.
That me say. Eh?
I never hear she call my name. I can't carry her chatting her. All of me I tell her. Fuck her mother, she forgot big up
for me, you little miss and tiny bumbo clat and all of them. Me make them the platform Europe the school. I know them over there.
No, cause tiny has soft soap.
Europe them
which platform that come? Which platform?
Politics and sports TV.
Politics and sports.
Me I go over there right now.
Over there,
so Tiny the soft one, man. So they want to jump on Tiny, but they wouldn't like
yeah,
no.
One of them splice it up.
Yeah.
And put in with
I feel them business that. Anything
public space.
That we are talking about what we see and what we are here.
Yeah. Yeah.
If them want silent crocodile, who is we? Go suck on a mother. We can't talk away enough to talk Batman and Saddamite. We don't suck like that.
Roger Wagon, Roger what's going on?
Oh, them not splice and put up the John will come out, come say if PNP win the election.
Yeah.
Him a fly from a Jamaica, come raise up him eye and analyze how much PNP.
Yeah, yeah.
Then after that, a bag of gun fine.
A bag of gun fine. A bag of gun fine.
In a Dojan, in a Desmond place. In big one, Desmond Mackenzie big place. Big wharf where them come out.
And dirty, and one spot media. I go come or a PNP and PM2 PNP activists, my view.
Them a try everything them do think them try to mix up PNP. But PNP we are clean people. We are expose them dirtiness.
Yeah.
And we not stop.
Yeah.
We not stop.
Nah, stop. Nah, stop.
Tired for your way attack. Them who can take you jumping at the sea. They see the right of them foot.
Yeah, man.
Let them come bully me now.
We now stop talk and when them take the things them and spice them up and use the vice say we do this and we say this already, we now stop.
I know that. You know, when they're going to start to look at me, anytime we hear them attack or say nothing, we record it and screenshot it and splice it and put them up.
We not doing them at the tiny.
We not doing them, we not time for waste funding.
We not playing no big
We not time for waste funding.
We not them corrupted because we don't follow them because what them do, them are eat them in the garden and she them go away. We not stop flick out for the truth. And the teeth they try to corrupt.
By Mr. Buchanan. That's our problem. Him threatened by Mr. Buchanan.
Yes. Yes,
the Labour Party is a cult party.
Track record. I told him walk over Patrick Roberts and that me say.
Jamaica Labour Party is a cult party.
Him could have walked from Patrick Roberts, but him can't walk from Paul Buchanan. You know, see the man take a deal from Chum. For Chum send home the Jamaican them.
Yeah, 4,000.
Deport the people then.
From yesterday.
No, 1,007.
From yesterday.
107, I mean.
107 come yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is 4,000% now.
Yeah, him take the deal and they see all some of the students them one student loan and one up here. It's some of the students them when they post student loan and up here. Him release the name to Chum with them students there. And in the post student loan and up here tab. But let me tell you something. Chum no keep secret.
So where some of them people they come back to? Where them are go?
Come meet them
Where them people they
demise.
go? Where them
Them
are
come
come back
Prime
to?
Minister. Them a come meet them demise. Them maker.
Some of them that are foreign and they not help them people out there. Some of them that are foreign and they not I send no money come out to come help them families. So where them are go?
Let me tell you something. You country, let me tell you something. Foreigner no better rose, you know. Foreigner no better rose. Some of them not even have a dollar, but them want to send it, but the money is not there. Because let me tell you something. When you're not straight in America, may I tell you that eat your supper. See Mama Sandra, she can't tell you.
Bills have to pay.
And tiny there, it's tiny there.
Bills have to pay. And if it's due today, the first of the month, some places give you 3 or 5 days to pay. And if you don't pay, you get a notice. And if you don't pay for that month, the next month.
Tiny and all that too. If you don't pay your tax, you go to prison. You go to prison. You have to pay once a month. You go to prison for it.
Yeah, but me just talk about the bills them. Me talk about the bills them after pay, yeah, so.
Yeah, me
so when you don't pay bills, no, when you don't pay bills, you not have money left to send go give family.
But some of them they for 40 years and then I start out then say, but then they do.
Exactly right. And then they want Trump sent back down.
Some of them they 40, 20 years. So where you that do? Where
Some
they
of
do
them are
business
not
out
so easy.
yourself.
Let me tell you something. You have some man up here. Them have to eat pussy for tea, lunch, and dinner. You have some of the girl them up here have to suck out for tea, lunch, and dinner just to get piece of papers. Here, remember me tell you that. Some of them have to take under them body just to get papers. Jamaica is a better rose. It's on the
Of
power.
course.
The foundation not there, the investment, the money, and them something there, the good living. They're really there under Andrew Owen's administration.
Yeah.
Look at this. Remember saying, me and you Jamaican. And at the end of the day, we could have live nearby as a neighbor or little far, but we are friends. Little far. But look at this. Then you have $50, then or $100.
Not yet.
All right.
Not
You can't
yet.
do that here.
Not here.
You can't, if you even run out of salt, you have to cook your food fresh. Because you can't go, your neighbor go tell them, say you beg them little salt. They don't know that about that. So you have to work for what you want here. Jamaica now, you know, must work because they know how they can get it. People sit down on the street side and beg. And when then the evening done, then get more than a day pay.
Yeah.
You can't do that here, so nobody not give nobody. God bless the family. Or the friend will stretch onto you and say, oh, that's why I got, that's why I pray every day for my family.
All right, baby. Yeah, man. Look at more.
Every day I
take
pray
care,
for my
comrade.
family.
Comrade, do not
God
take
bless
care. Big up on
them.
yourself.
Now, sit
All
back.
right, cool.
Yeah, man, big up yourself.
Tell them.
Yeah, man. Take
Because
care.
the way my family live, the way my family reunite.
Big up yourself.
All
Make
right,
back
mama.
in what we don't want you not to
friend,
live
baby.
in a basement. We don't want you not
That's
to
the
blood
fact
clip
about them. That's why you not
Paka
tell
criminal like blood clip Andrew.
Andrew.
Then she say Andrew now run the country good. I am a supporter Andrew when himself him say Andrew a broke a bank, him a help Andrew broke it. Me Paka moving blood clot and when me now pet them. Where?
Where?
Right now, me tell the people,
We don't want
say,
you in our
find
comments
a
and
better
nothing. You
road.
can't come back up in our back.
Because at the end of the day, my family is a unite family. We help each other. My daughter help both stranger and her family for reach us of the better of themselves. Some family, you in them house 1 week or 2. And they not give you nothing. So you have to pay your bills up here, so you have to work. And 2-3 jobs to survive here. So when Paka talk about things that go on at Jamaica, nothing that go on at Jamaica because $15,000 cannot feed you.
But things
Me
are going on Jamaica, him now left when they are come home. Because things are going on Jamaica, me I come home and meet my prime minister. When I know say me can pick up money on road.
So that is the thing them to look at. $15,000 cannot buy nothing. 15,000 is a 1 day pay America and more. Me have a daughter where she work $200 a day. $200 a day. Call it a 30,000 at Jamaica. And $30,000 still can't buy nothing because by you going to the supermarket and take a few something. When they tell you how much it is, you have to wonder where you take up your $30,000. So make them go.
Andrew Oldness and Tough Tan and rip off the Jamaican people with an old drill. $31 million. Eh?
Somebody say Howard lifestyle.
Yeah. $31
Okay.
million. Eh? $31 million. The man the on stage a talk about him belly full. No, you gotta take Dennis Chung to come in the FID or the FIB to come cover up your corruption. The money them were your thief. Eh? You have yacht, you have private helicopter.
Oh, so you use $30,000 buy food Saturday at Jamaica.
I must see
How
my
much people
loan,
can
man.
find 30,000?
I am a loan.
How much people can find 30,000, sir? How much people can
can buy?
30,000?
What you can buy? What you can buy?
Hold on,
30,000
30,000 can buy, but how much? How much people?
What's
How
up?
much?
Can't afford.
How long that $30,000 can buy food to serve them? Tell me, how much?
Me know you can't get 2 trolley of food. 3 trolley of food at price match for 30,000.
No, come.
The man.
And we can use $100 full something up here. When me go to the supermarket, I 7 back, me come back home with $100.
Yeah, Ducky, me spend $200, yeah. And it's something for the month and still have things left.
Yeah, that's it to me.
Me hate them, me say. You think you love the black brother and sister? Who not care